Little mathematicians, the teddies are on their way for a picnic lunch. How many teddies are on the bus? Let's take a look. How many teddies are on the bus today? I see 11 teddies sitting on the bus as passengers, and then I see one driver. That makes 12. Did you get 12 teddy bears? There are 12 teddy bears on the bus today coming to us for a picnic lunch. Earlier in the day, I was given a picnic basket full of goodies to set up a picnic lunch. Here's what was in the basket. Let's count what items we have to set up a teddy bear's picnic today. Take a look with me. How many picnic mats do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 3 picnic mats. Next to the picnic mats, I can see some big platters. They must be to put some of the food on. Let's see how many of those we have. 1, 2, 3. That's easy enough. Next, let's find out how many cups we have for the teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's good because there are 12 teddy bears and I have 12 cups here. Let's check out the plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's find out how many muffins there are. I can see there are some muffins here. How many muffins do you see? I see 12. If you got 12, you're right. Each teddy bear must be able to have a muffin. How many spoons do we have to eat some of this food? I can see a group of 10 and 2 more. That makes 12. What about the bottles of juice? How many bottles of juice do we have today for this picnic? Did you supertise? Did you see a pattern that you're familiar with? I see 6 bottles of juice. My last question is, how many bananas do you see? Don't let your eyes trick you, little mathematicians. I don't see 4 bananas. I see 4 bunches of bananas. There are some bananas in each bunch. How many bananas do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I count all the bananas, there are 12 bananas. Did you get 12? These are the things we're able to use for the teddy bear's picnic today. Now, how are we going to set these up? There are 12 teddy bears. I have 3 big picnic rugs. I have 3 big platters. Then I have 12 cups and plates, 12 spoons, 12 muffins, 12 bananas, but only 6 bottles of juice. How would you set up that teddy bear's picnic, little mathematicians? You're only allowed to use the items that we have in the basket. How would you share those items equally so that the teddy bears have a great picnic lunch? Here are some of the things you'll need to think about. How will you place the teddies at the picnic rugs? Can we have some groups that are equal? Can we have some teddies at each mat? I wonder what that would look like. Next, how are you going to share the plates, the cups, and the spoons? What will that look like? Will each teddy get to have one each? You need to be able to share the food equally. How will each teddy be able to have lunch today? What will they have? And I noticed there are only 6 bottles of juice, but there are 12 teddies. What would you do to share the juice today? You're planning a teddy bear's picnic. You can do this using some counters, loose objects, and other toys that you have. First, have a go at planning it using your counting objects. You might need to move some things around to make sure it's being shared equally. And after you're happy with it and you think you've shared equally so that each teddy bear has a great picnic lunch today, draw your picture to show how you'd plan this teddy bear's picnic. Remember to think about these things. And remember, the aim of this is to share equally. We want to make sure we give the teddy bears a great picnic lunch. And for them to be happy and have a great picnic lunch today, we're going to need to share the basket items equally. Have fun planning and drawing your teddy bear's picnic.